How to turn off professional mode on Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn off professional mode in your Facebook. Now before we start, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's get started. First, open up your Facebook. After you open up your Facebook, you will need to head over to your profile. So simply head over to the menu button on the bottom right and then tap on your profile. After you're on your profile's page, tap on the three dots right besides advertise. Now as you can see, I have my professional mode on. It says professional dashboard, create reels, advertise and everything. So tap on the three dots. After you tap on it, scroll down all the way and you should see turn off professional mode. Tap on turn off professional mode and then tap on continue, then tap on turn off. After you tap on turn off, it will just get turned off, and that is how you turn off professional mode on Facebook. Thanks for watching guys, that is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.